What's up, guys? This is Alexander Bosko,
and today
I am going to do an unboxing of the iPhone 8 Plus in silver, the 256GB model. It says here on the back, 256 gigabytes. And by the way, guys, this is not my phone. This belongs to one of my family members, and they let me borrow it for this video. And let's unbox this guy. And by the way, guys, this phone is already activated, and this is what the front of the box looks like if you get
the
silver model of the iPhone 8 Plus or 8.
And we have the documentation
that nobody reads, and that includes Apple stickers.
Let's set that to the side.
And we got the phone itself right here, and it has a glass back for
wireless charging. And let's set the phone to the side.
And we got the 5-watt power adapter. And we got the lightning earpods because this phone does not have a
headphone jack.
And we got the dongle,
the
3.5mm jack to lightning, because this phone does not have a headphone jack,
as I said.
And next we have is the lightning to USB cable.
You can use it to
charge it and sync it with iTunes. And let's set the box away
to
take a look at the phone itself. As I said,
this phone has a glass back
that
enables
wireless charging, and there is no more FCC logos on the back,
just to make this phone sleek.
And this has the dual cameras
like
the iPhone 7 Plus and the iPhone 10. And this phone is very similar to the iPhone 7 Plus because of the front of the phone and the aluminum. Let me get this in focus again. Oh, here it goes. And the dual cameras is for
telephoto.
And I'm not going to explain about more
specs of this phone because
there is so many unboxing videos on YouTube already. So yeah, guys, and I hope you guys did like this unboxing video today. And please make sure to subscribe for more Adventure Time plush videos and more gaming videos and more tutorials for Apple devices and more unboxings and reviews.
And
please comment and rate this video. And now this will be Alexander Bosko sign off, guys, and peace out. Bye, guys. Peace.